Let me show you how to implement das plugin into new project. So first we need to enable the plugin. And here it's already enabled, but if you do it, you will have to restart it all. After that, we need to show engine content to have access to all the files from the das plugin. So we select one of the files and click Ctrl B. It should take us to the folder of this plugin. Okay, now let's look for player blueprint. We will use it as a base for our AI character. So let's duplicate it, rename it. Okay, we can remove all the events and camera components as AI won't use it. And we just need to add das component to it. Okay, let's also add das interface. This is important. And it comes with one function which returns das component. So let's just return the component that we just added. Okay, and lastly, we need to initialize das component. We can do it here on begin play. We could also do it in AI controller. And as a behavior tree, we'll use das base because we don't have any other behavior for our AI character. Okay, now let's place nav mesh bounds volume on the level to allow our AI character to move around. Press P to make sure it's there. And basically at this point, our AI character should be compatible with das system. So let's drop some points. Let's make a path and we'll try to use it with our AI character. We can use this widget, which has a bunch of useful functions to help us create path. And now let's select AI character and look for das plugin and initial path point. Set it just as one of those points. And as you can see, AI character is moving, but it's not animating. This is because of the default settings of animation blueprint. And to fix it, we just need to uncheck one of the conditions. That's because AI doesn't use acceleration, so this condition was always failing for it. Now AI is moving properly. So let's also add action point to the path to make sure AI works. Okay, I'll set it to play a simple montage. And now let's link one of the path points with this action point. Okay, now when AI reaches this path point, it plays the action point, and after that it should go to next path point.